Gann diodes are also known as electron transfer devices, TEDs. They are a type of diode that produces microwave signals by exploiting the Gunn effect. The Gann effect is a phenomenon in which a high electric field applied to certain semiconductors, such as gallium arsenide, GaAs, causes electrons to move through the material with a negative differential resistance and oscillates at microwave frequencies. Unlike other diodes, the Gunn has a negative semiconductor region with resistive junctions at both ends.